Many ask how to achieve this such a realistic hair. Well, we can all do it, and I know, you can. So you can, you know what I mean. You only need to have a long patience. But wait. Before continuing this video, please subscribe now. So you won't miss every tutorials that I am going to upload. After watching this tutorial, I'm sure that you're going to get your art materials and try it with yourself. Let's not rush our artwork, so that we can have a good results. In this video, I will show you the process on how to achieve this hair. Before we begin, let me introduce you first the materials that we are going to use. HB pencil, 2B, 6B and 8B. By the way, I use vellum board at this project. So let's start. Watch what am I doing. Please don't skip a minute. If you skip it, you missed something important. So, let's make outlines first. Make sure not to press down too hard on your paper as you're creating your sketch. In making the outlines, let's start looking at those dark area of the hair. This is the reason to make it in a 3-dimensional of our work. This will divide with every strokes that we will do. Reminder, be sure that your pencil is sharp. Okay, after making the outline, let's start making the base for the outline we made. Here, we will use the HB pencil. Why did I use HB? Because, the value of its darkness is not high. Making a realistic hair, still have a process. Just like when we are making our skin tones. We are start from the light base until we achieve the tones value we want. Don't let's go straight to 8B. The outcome has a big difference when we do that. As I said, if we want the good outcome, let's not rush our artwork. Third, when we're done with the base, gradually we increase the dark volume of the hair. So, 2B I'll use it first for now. Let's shade the dark areas we'll see in the reference. Let's just not stress, just all of a sudden we just draw to make long one strokes. Fourth, we will use 6B to make it more darker and becoming more realistic. When applying, we will focus on the dark areas of the hair. Suppose that we make dark to light tones. All of a sudden we're just drawing. Let's blend our work to make it smooth. So after all, let's use 8B pencil. We will use to darken it more. In the beginning, it is normal to make mistakes, and we often do fix something. That's why not should be too emphatic when we make strokes. Wait. I do not use charcoal powder with this project. But, it's up to you if you are going to use it. Much better. Let's not apply to stick together. So that, white lines are still visible. This will give you to make it more realistic. I am just repeating the process. So, let me just show you what am I doing in achieving this realistic hair. When it's all over, we will use the pencil eraser or any kind of eraser. Even electric eraser, mono zero eraser, it's up to you. This is what I have from now. Can you see it now? We will use it to erase the highlights that covered by the strokes I made. Yes, this will help us to make a realistic hair. Is it clear? Is my explanation clear? In this tutorial, I am making it in just a minute. Don't get lazy. This video will improve your style. If you're getting in pain, rest, else you will make your work worse. As I said, don't rush your artwork. Wait for the results. Again, if you enjoy watching this tutorial, don't forget to click the subscribe button, and always be updated every time I upload tips and tutorials.